Often we want to add additional text to just a single slide, and we don't have a placeholder, a spare one to use. So in that case, I would insert a text box. From the ribbon, I'd click the Insert tab, and in the text group, I'd click Text Box. If I click Text Box, I'll just click on the slide anywhere that I've got a bit of room. So I'll click here, and I'll just type my text, maybe subject to change. What I might like to do is then select the text box and move it, and I do so just by grabbing the frame around the outside of the text box, and as you can see here, I can easily move it. I could also rotate it by dragging the green Arial at the top. The green Arial allows me to rotate the text around and put it at a 90-degree angle. I could then move the text box again and put it down the side of my bulleted list. If I wanted to size the text box, I'd drag one of the little white placeholders around the outside of the text box and drag down and size it. If I then wanted to center the text in the text box, from the Home tab in the ribbon, in the paragraph group, I click the Center button. When it comes to sizing the object, we tend to do things visually. We make it shorter or taller. But if you wanted to be specific, you go to the Drawing Tools Format tab in the ribbon, and to the far right you could set the height and the width to exactly what you wanted. So if I set the width to 12 centimeters, it's exactly 12 centimeters tall. And if I wanted to rotate it, not using the green Arial, I could use the Rotate button and flip it exactly to whatever degree I wanted. So I'll flip it vertical. You can also format the text box. You have various options available to you, such as Format Styles. In the Format Styles, there's a drop-down button called More, and I can roll my mouse over the various options and choose a particular style. Alternatively, I can set my own shape fill color and just roll over the various options. I could also put an outline color around the outside or ask for no outline. And I can even apply an effect if I wanted to, so I might add a slight soft edge and 2.5 points. So there are all sorts of options available to you as far as formatting your shape.